KTM News: Red Bull KTM Factory Racing reset and ready to roll for 2022. Please subscribe our channel, thank you for your support. After notable milestones in the last few years such as MXGP podium clean sweeps, title wins in both categories in the same year, 19 out of 20 Grand Prix triumphs in a single season and being the only team in the Premier class to see all racers grasp victories in one campaign, Red Bull KTM Factory Racing will field a refined and dedicated effort for 2022. Defending number 1 Jeffrey Herlings will aim for his third MXGP crown since 2018 with the latest generation KTM 450 SXF. He will be joined under the orange awning by 2020 MX2 World Champion Tom Weil on the KTM 250 SXF. The team hoped to pay homage this year to René Hofer. The young Austrian would have been the third member of the lineup until his untimely passing in December. The team will be managed by Joel Smets with Dirk Gruebel assuming a technical director role. Jeffrey Herlings said, "It's been a short off-season, but we've done all the right work, both for my preparation and on the bike. Red Bull KTM has been my home and family since 2010 and it will look pretty different this year, but we still have the same great crew, great bikes and that winning mentality. Matterley Basin will be here before we know it, but I'm excited to get out racing again in Spain this weekend." Dirk Gruebel, Red Bull KTM technical director, said, "It's all changed for this season. Not only with the rider lineup for Red Bull KTM but also the new SXFs. We are also still dealing with the situation of René's loss and having 2 racers instead of 3. However, the goals remain the same, and when we look at the potential of both Jeffrey and Tom and the work they have done in the off-season, then we are confident. MXGP gets going pretty early in the year and we should have the flyaways again after missing out for 2 years. We know it will be a long season, but it will be good to get back to a normal way of racing. Starting this weekend for Jeffrey in Spain." Thank you for watching us. Please subscribe our OKR Moto YouTube channel. OKR Moto is an KTM authorized dealer and service since year 2003 based in Slovakia. For more KTM related news with international subtitles, please check our playlist. Link is available in the description of this video. Thank you for your support and subscription.